how to set the side button to quickly launch secure folder on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down, and in here, tap on advanced features. Then we go down and tap on side button. After that, you want to tap on double press. At the top here, make sure you turn on the toggle button to enable double press for side button. Now scroll down to the bottom and select apps. Then tap on the settings icon on the right hand side. Now in the apps menu, scroll down and select secure folder. Now if you have a lot of apps in here, it can be a bit difficult to find your apps. In that case, if you cannot find the secure folder, you can use the search function at the top to filter out the apps. So here we can type in secure folder. Now it is grayed out at the moment. The reason being is because we have already assigned. So if we go back in here, I can now look for secure folder and I can select it. And that's it. Now if you double press on the side button, it will allow you to quickly launch the secure folder. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And that is how you can set the side button to launch the secure folder on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra.